Hi everyone, today I will show you how to delete your Snapchat account. Before moving on to the video, you can support me by liking the video and deliver this video to people who are looking for this video like you. Let's start. In order to delete your Snapchat account, first open the Snapchat. Then we click our profile from top left and click settings from top right. Then we scroll down to the bottom. Then we click I need help from support section. Then we scroll down again and we click managing my account. In here we click delete or reactivate my account. Then we click how do I delete my Snapchat account? In here we click the blue text that says accounts portal. As you can see here, Snapchat directs us to the account deleting page. We enter our login informations in the text box. After entering the informations, we click the yellow continue button. As you can see, our account is deactivated. If we don't reactivate our account in 30 days, the account is going to be permanently deleted. You can delete your Snapchat account like that. Now we are going to open Snapchat again. In here, when we click the login button, we got a notification that says, your account is currently deactivated. Would you like to reactivate it? If we click yes here, our account is going to be reactivated. If we cancel it, our account is going to permanently delete it in 30 days. I wanted to show you that our account is deactivated. Like that you can delete your Snapchat account easily. We have come to the end of the video. I hope this video fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care, and see you in the next video.